Hi guys, what's up? So let's unbox this beautiful gift that I received. I'm actually really excited and still want to feel really excited to be opening this perfume. I don't know, receiving it made me feel like really happy. And I was just waiting for the right time to open it and I thought to share with you guys. So let's finally see what's inside this big box, okay? I'm not someone that shares like my feelings on the internet. Like I like to put things out, but not everything. Anyways, let's concentrate on opening this box. Like this feeling. Okay, wow. How is it looking bent? Oh, so cute. The box is so big for the content. I don't know. I don't know what I was expecting, but wow. I don't even know why I wore red. Just it looks so nice. It's called Avanti. Avanti for her. I actually love perfumes, to be honest. Wow. I love how it smells. I think I like this little life. I like how it smells. I don't even know what to say. I just want to soak myself in this gorgeousness. Woo! Anyway, that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.